Super quick video update to show you the final setup for this one. This is the battery that I put together in my last video. That's the battery right there. It's already connected to the charge controller. This is the system that we're going to use. There you go. It is working, just to show you that it's not connected anywhere. And I'm just put it together over here. Since it's a small system, it's just gonna have one panel. This one, it's 500 more or less watt hours. So this system's gonna be good enough. And if they want to do a higher capacity, we have enough space for another extra battery pack like this one to go all the way up to 1 kilowatt hour. And this little baby, this is the same model that I use on the 1 kilowatt hour toolbox, which is somewhere around there. And it's not gonna be capable of turning on a 18 cubic feet fridge, but a smaller fridge is gonna be more than powerful. So it's a small setup, like I said before, but they're going to be able to get more capacity. It just looks so good like this. I didn't have to do like any hacking, just smaller toolbox, put it together, and that's it. We have the cables over here, and it's super cool. Anyway, yeah, quick video. See you later, guys. Bye. Peace, peace, peace.